Hi guys, and welcome to St. Jude's Woodcraft. It's another video on Bentwood Rings. If you remember last time we bent this wood, and I've taken the tape off now. As you can see, it's holding its curl really well. That's just to show you guys that it does work. And today we're going to do a couple of two-tone rings. Again, I pre-cut everything this time around. If you haven't seen the video on how to make Bentwood rings, I'll put the link below. Suggest you watch that before trying these ones. Just gives you a better idea of what you're doing. So I'll crack on with it. So in this video I'll use the same round form that I used in the last, and it's exactly the same principle starting off. It can be a bit tricky getting your wood in the first position. A little bit of CA glue. This is the second colour wood that we're using, so we're going to put that just slightly underneath the first. And roll that in place. Try not to get glued to it yourself. I think we're safe there. So after that first gluing process, what you that basically is a lamination of the two pieces of wood on each other. Now it's just a case of following that all the way around and gluing all the way around like you did on the first ring. So I'll get on with that and I'll stop at the next step. Finish the first glue up, and take it off. You see there we got the basis of a two-tone ring. Got a strong brown on the outside and then the light colour of the beach on the inside. So we'll do that process again on another ring, and this time I'll use another form. It's a kitchen utensil I've wrapped with a bit of masking tape, again just to show that you can use anything that's round to give you the basic ring shape. And again we're going to go for a light colour on the inside. Again, super glue, cocktail stick, glue the veneer to the veneer, not to the form. And instead of the walnut looking stuff, I'm going to use this. This was black before I bend it. It's gone a bit of a purple colour. I've got a feeling it will go black again when I sand it though. So we're going to give this a different colour contrasting two-tone ring. A little bit of glue in the gap. Remember this end is paper thin, and so is the end. both the other bits would as well. And sandwich two together. Make sure that they're straight to each other. And there you go again. Already joined. Now it's a case of just wrapping it again. It's the second ring rolled and glued. You can see both there. Both turned out quite well at this stage. And next stage is sanding. So I'll be using 150 grit. Now you take your ring and you start a nice figure of 8. Just like the first video. Doing both sides. And it's going to take a while to get to the thickness I need, so I'll stop there and you'll join me back at the next stage. So I finished sanding both sides now and gone to the width I wanted. As you can see, I've taken a good few mil off. I'm going to lose about another mil probably in the shaping, and that's the next sanding step, as you've seen in my first video. So I'll get on with that and I'll see you at the next step. I've sanded these rings back now and shaped them so there's a beveled edge on each one. And now it's time to take the dust off with a bit of white spirit. You can see the colour difference between the two tones of wood on that one. Again, if you haven't seen the first video on how to make rings, I'll put a link down in the comment section below. Because you see the sanding process is used in more depth in that video. This is just to show you how to do two tones within a ring. As you can see, contrasting between the two different colours works quite well. And the next step is putting the CA glue coating on it and sanding that back to a high gloss shine. And I'll finish here and I'll be back with the finished results. So we had a bit of an electrical storm last night, and whilst filming the sanding and polishing process, it actually disrupted my filming, and I lost a lot of footage. So after about 90 minutes of polishing and sanding both rings, you're left with this really high gloss finish on the ring. You can see the two-tone effect going with the dark and the light. This is the walnut that we bent in the first video. And I think the inside is birch, I'm not 100% sure. This ring turned out quite well. Same birch on the inside. I'm not sure about the outside wood, but gives a really nice finish. Thanks for watching the video. If you like what you see, please subscribe. These rings will be available on my Etsy store sooner or later. I'll put a link to that below, and you'll be able to purchase them there if you like them. And thanks for watching.